everyone, Tim Schofield here, and Google just sent over this very large and fairly heavy box, and it does say mint on the outside, so I have a decent idea of what's inside here, but I do want to say thank you for all the support you guys have given, especially lately. I put out a lot of videos this month, and the comments have really been filled with very supportive, really good conversations going on, so I really appreciate you. Now, I'm going to do something in this video I've never done before, and that's eat a piece of gum. I bet you can guess what flavor it is. Okay, now that I have minty fresh breath, let's go ahead and unbox the new mint colored Google Pixel 8 Pro. Let's get started. And let's begin opening it up. On the front here, it says soft, serene, calm. Pulling this up, here we go. This is all the extras, and I believe this is the phone in the middle here. So we're gonna set this mint-colored phone, yeah. We're gonna set that to the side, build some suspense. First up is just a card giving information about it and letting me know there's a January feature drop, so they have been dropping new software features on their Pixel lineup. Looks like they've included a couple, wow, these are, wait, this is actual glass. I thought these were gonna be plastic. No, they've got some weight to them, some nice, you know, mint colored glasses. And on the bottom left here, I love this. It says Pixel Mint, so that's the color, and it's in a mini paint can. Well done, Google, I love this. Let's see if I can get this top off though. Is there mint inside? So just grab something with a little bit of leverage to see if we can pop this top off, and there we go, that's what did it. I couldn't get it with my hands, so there they are. And I have to say, great choice of mints. These are top tier mints. Honestly, probably my favorite ones. And we're not done quite yet. On the front, there's a pull tab. And look at that, we have a couple goodies. Do a barrel roll. We've got mint julep cocktail syrup, very creative. I'm gonna have to make one of these in my new glass. And last thing in the box, we have the Anker 521 power bank, which is very interesting because it has prongs to go into the wall, a button to turn on. You have two USB Type-C ports. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery pack. And if you look really closely, you'll see up at the top, it charges up to 45 watts. All right, enough suspense. Let's grab the new Pixel 8, take off this cover, and there is the front. They sent the Pixel 8 Pro in mint. All right, peeling off the back here so we can see what's inside. Taking off the top here, there it is. Just a quick look. I'm gonna set it to the side. We're gonna see what else comes in the box. Standard booklets, getting started guide, plus USB Type-C male to USB Type-A female adapter. And finally, your USB Type-C to Type-C cable for charging with your mint colored charging brick. And here it is. It looks really sleek, sort of a matte mint color. I really like it. It actually kind of gives the Bay Blue a run for its money. Drop a comment. Let me know if you're Team Bay Blue or Team Mint. And just a quick paint can check. It is pretty close, so paint can was accurate. Anyways, flipping it over lets us know where everything is. Peeling that off, I'm gonna boot this up and run through the startup real quick, and we're gonna check out some of the features on this very AI-powered Pixel 8 Pro. Running through the setup process, I'm noticing a lot of green accents to the theme, so that's a nice little touch. We are all set up and ready to go, and I love that it's themed out of the box. You'll notice just a lot of the green, even the wallpaper, the accents here on the quick settings. And if we go into settings, scroll down, wallpaper and style, you can customize it if you want that lock screen clock to be a little bit different or just have a different style. You can even change the color palette if that's something you're looking to do. So there you go, even in the green, a different lock screen for us. Now these Pixel phones are getting a new update that is dropping today. So if you do have a Pixel phone, be sure to hit that update button on your phone to get these new features that I'm gonna show off. Want to check out while you're typing, hey everyone, subscribe. So I spelled some things wrong on purpose because you can hit this check button and it's going to proofread what you're doing. Again, this is using Google's AI. You can press thumbs up if you'd like to replace it, or send feedback, sorry, you can select it to replace it. You can also type to translate with auto detect, or you'll see here I just specifically put in French, and so I typed bonjour, and it says good morning up at the top. So when you're typing in a different language, it will input in a translated language, so really nice. Now, I was hoping that this Mint Pixel 8 Pro was going to have some of those updated features I could show off, but I do have a device I can show them off. So the features that are coming today, I can show off on my Galaxy S24 Ultra because my early unit does have some of those features. On the subject of keyboards, this one won't be the exact same. This is Samsung specific, but Google also has one on their G board, which is writing style. So we did translation, spelling, and grammar, but writing style. So if you want a more professional message, casual, I think Google even added one that's like Shakespeare. So there's a lot of different options that are gonna pop up on your keyboard. Next up is one I've been using all the time. Definitely be sure to check it out. It's called Circle to Search. Just press and hold that home button there and it will pop up like so, and you're able to circle an object or an image, scribble over some text, anything like that, and you'll have a list of a lot of different options. So it knows that that's the Pixel 8 Pro. Obviously it's not showing the Mint version because that hasn't come out yet as of this video being made. So again, it's not just images of things, it's also text. So if I zoom in and I want to search barrel roll, it's obvious, there we go, dual barrel roll. And if we'd really like more, again, you can just sort of scribble over it. So now it will search for the very specific thing we're looking for. And while we're at it, grabbing the Mint Pixel 8 Pro, the sharing menu will get an update. So when you hit share and hit quick share, it's going to be called quick share now as opposed to nearby share that's currently on Pixel devices. So you'll see Tim's Pixel 8 Pro, and there we go. Received the picture there. And you'll see previously if I hit share, there it is, nearby share, as opposed to quick share. So the new name now is quick share. Grabbing the Pixel, again, you have Magic Editor for photos. So let's try that out. I just took a quick selfie. So if I just highlight around myself, it selects me where I can press and hold on it and maybe move. I can pinch in, maybe if I want to just kind of put myself over to the left here a little bit smaller, go ahead and it will generate a better image. It will fill in my edit. So here are some options. Obviously, just about as expected, it did fill in everything around me just to try and make it look as good as possible. Not a great scenario, but you'll see what I mean by what it's doing. But also there's a new one called Photomoji that will create reactions based on specific pictures. So I'm excited to try that out going forward. On the back of the Pixel 8 Pro, you have a temperature sensor right here, and there's an update coming to it. So right now, you could just hold it up to various items, and it will tell you the temperature of that specific item. It's on default now, but you could switch it between beverages, plastic, rubber, matte metal, walls, and windows. But soon, you'll be able to put it up to yours or someone else's forehead and tell your temperature. So right now it's not quite as accurate doing that. This is just my hand and you'll see it's at 86.3. But that's pretty useful and exciting going forward, especially if you're not feeling well. So I'm going to make sure to make a YouTube short, Instagram reel, so follow me over on Instagram too. I'm not going to show all the AI features, but want to point out that video, if you go into settings, there's a video boost option. So you can select that, which will give you just a boost maybe when you are in nighttime. So it is on there. So when you're recording, you definitely test it out for yourself, see the results and the differences when using on and off. Also, sometime in the future, there's a new feature coming where you can tap your Pixel device to maybe your Pixel tablet and share the specific audio. I got a demo of this at CES. It was really cool and it's definitely gonna be useful. Maybe you get home and you want to just transfer your music on over. So anyways, that is it from me on the new mint color Pixel 8 Pro from Google. Drop a comment, let me know if you like the Babe Blue or the mint better. Be sure to subscribe, a lot more content coming soon. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.